A tri-state business and its owner finally get their day in federal court.
Doug Evans of Evans Landscaping faces a jury tomorrow to defend himself against allegations that he illegally won nearly $2 million worth of Cincinnati business.
The 9 on Your Side I-Team spoke with Evans' lawyer and a former federal prosecutor about this case. I-Team reporter Paula Christian explains what to expect during the trial.
The trial here in federal court is expected to last a month. The man at the center of it all, Doug Evans, is one of Newtown's largest landowners and a self-made millionaire. It's not often that a powerful local businessman faces charges that could send him to prison.
FBI agents raided Evans Landscaping in 2015, collecting computers and 2 million documents. 2 years later, federal prosecutors indicted Evans on 6 charges related to wire fraud.
There's no dispute really about what happened. The issue was it fraud?
Attorney Ben Duzing says his client was just helping out an employee start his own minority contracting business, Ergon Site Construction. But federal prosecutors say Evans intentionally used Ergon to win minority contracts from the city of Cincinnati, 140 demolition jobs worth nearly $2 million.
Ergon was not independently owned and controlled by Mr. Jordan. Everything about what Ergon did was owned and controlled and for the benefit of Evans.
4 former Evans Landscaping employees have signed plea agreements and will testify. Ralph Conan is former deputy criminal chief of the U.S. Attorney's Office in Cincinnati. He's not affiliated with the case. Doug Evans' accountant is also expected to testify as a key witness. Duzing says the idea for Ergon Site Construction actually came from this advisor.
Mr. Evans' attorneys are going to say, look, he relied on an expert to tell him how to do this. It's a good defense, and it could work.
The outcome of this case could have wide-reaching impact on other companies.
The man wakes up every day and employs 250 people. And there's a lot on the line here. This case transcends Doug personally.
But federal officials may use this case to teach a lesson.
That if you do it, and if we catch you, you're going to face prosecution.
If Doug Evans is convicted on all charges, he faces a maximum of 103 years in prison. But attorneys say he would actually serve far less time, or a jury could find him not guilty. His attorney has recently gotten 2 acquittals in high-profile cases. What happens next is up to the jury. Paula Christian, 9 on Your Side.